What are we doing? Chicken?
You do the chicken.
Okay.
I'll cut your vegetables.
Should I do the chicken over here? Or?
Yeah. But I can't see you doing the chicken.
I know, that's why I was asking you if I should do it over here or if I should do it over here.
Do it over here.
Okay, sure. Slap
Hey, Billy. I'll try not to cut your hands off.
Thanks.
And this is just a practice video.
Do you want to keep the skin? What did we decide?
Keep the skin. Just set it to the side. If anything, we can Togo can eat it.
We could add it later.
Yeah.
Some of it'll have it on there anyway. There's butter. I don't want chicken in the butter.
Why not?
No, I like butter. Like butter in the chicken. Butter chicken.
You get to hear me sigh constantly.
Like a dog that doesn't pay rent.
His name is Togo.
Nobody sighs harder than a freeloading dog. I think you got the easier job.
The what?
I said, I think you got the easier job.
I did.
Okay. We have a garlic down.
Gordon Ramsay is much better at this than I am.
Yeah. I'll give you that. But you're better than me. Only lost one finger so far. I mean, you could do it like a caveman. You dropped your towel.
Yeah, thanks.
Be like,
Ah. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, slap chop! I was in the Navy. I got really good at that.
You shouldn't have comments like that. What if you have children watching?
My son was in the Army. He's gotten very good at that.
Our son.
Yeah, I guess. We haven't proven that yet.
Yeah, we don't know who his mother is.
Yeah. What?
You dropped your towel again. I probably could go with small gloves.
Those are small.
Well, they're medium.
Oh.
When that box is empty. Ow.
What are you doing?
I poked myself in the finger.
With what?
With my other finger. I can put this here if you're done chopping.
Yep.
I'm just kind of making sure there's no gristle in the crust. You know, I don't like to choke on it.
Is that a choking your chicken joke?
No. Really don't like choking. It's just not one of my preferences. It's like somebody got a hold of the chicken breast before we were tearing it apart.
Not me.
Half of the skin was missing. That's it.
All right.
Normally we would probably have a little bit more chicken, but this is good.
You want me to chop that up? Just leave it like that?
We can just, I mean, it's pretty much, I tore my pieces up to pretty much bite-sized pieces. So,
all right.
I mean, my grandpa used to like just get a whole chicken and boil the snot out of it to make his own broth. And then debone that whole chicken, but this is just a way to use the leftovers.
I never hit the start button.
We were so quiet and polite too.
I'm kidding.
Welcome to my world.
I hit the start button.
Oh, at least you remembered.
Morning.
I was just speaking. Oh, you can see it on there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
You can add your garlic now.
Let's turn the heat down.
Yeah. Cooks a little bit longer. Oh, you got to do the celery too.
Yep. Trying to get a good, like where would be the best way to, best place to put it?
Yeah. I think once you add the chicken broth, you can pause your video because you gotta let it like
Yeah, I'll do
simmer and yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody wants to, like, what is that saying? Watching water boil?
Yeah.
That looks good.
Not bad, not bad.
I don't even know if we need all of that because I mean, I think it'll be fine because It just depends on how thick you want it to be, you know?
Yep.
We're adults.
Did you just say we're adults?
Yeah, because we both giggled at the chicken broth fart. Okay. Nice that we both cleared our throats.
I can edit that out in post.
You said, "Okay, I'm recording," and I went, and you went, "We are movie stars." Hello and welcome back to our podcast.
Should have opened this first.
We are trained professionals. Reference point: Wonder Pets 2004. That's probably good.
Is that good or more?
I did probably like half the bag.
That is half the bag.
Okay, I mean we'll start there.
This will thicken up, right?
Probably.
They'll get bigger?
Yeah, we might have to. I mean, because they're not homemade, we might have to add some cornstarch or more flour in there. But we'll see what happens.
Okay.
This is a cheat code.
Cheat code.
Yeah.
All right.
Probably we shouldn't bang that. That's annoying on the video.
You're annoying in the video.
I know. That's why I'm talking.
Video's on. It's thickening up nice. It's already salty.
Yeah, well, because the chicken crust.
Yep.
But do you think it needs some?
I know what it needs.
Like that spinach stuff.
Yep. That's exactly what I'm getting.
If we have it.
I know we do. I've seen it recently. I just don't remember where.
It would be in there if we had it.
Here it is. I found it.
Okay. I don't even know if that's still made anymore.
Oh, I love that stuff.
Are you still on private? Have you made your page public?
I don't know.
You probably haven't made your page public yet.
I hit the publish button.
Oh, I saw it the other day.
Yeah.
But you don't have any videos on there.
No, I don't. This will be my first video.
Let me click on it.
There it is. Oh yeah.
You need pot holders.
You took my pot holder.
You sank my battleship.
Oh, that's nice and thick. Oh, it smells wonderful.
We should have brought the other camera here to show you plating it.
Too far. There we go. Look at that. Remember, if you don't like it, you don't have to eat it, but you have to tell me.